Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, I. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I. And all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. We want to welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make sure you grow the platform. Yes, I. Don't forget the cash app in the description. Yeah, so gun amnesty failed. Ours was a failed approach. Now, I'm one of a brethren where call I, me and them all a reasoning, and in the reasoning, he marks some pivotal questioning. One of the most important questions that the brethren asked was, big up yourself, mass up, anyway, the youth. Big up yourself. Yes, I. Big man thing. See? One of the most, profound question was, in our gun amnesty, what make the Prime Minister, leader of the opposition, and the Minister of National Security never go in a freedom community first? Where, they are powerful people. There are two powerful members of the government, three powerful members of the government, them there, very influential, see, and can get things done. When I say so, when they make talk, usually them type of people listen to what them say. What make Chang never go in a film community? I'm going to reason with them friend them. I like the youth them in the community. Because them are always friend, Unless something change. You see, politician and the gunman, them are usually bit more closer friend than them and foreigner. Even though them and foreigner are the next best friend where them have. See? They keep them sit and negotiate with them youth there. And say, yo, we want back some of the gun them. Bring in some gun. We know no have them. See? And then if the man them not honor the request, the man them not rate you. You see, the community not rate you, them not like you. What make bro God never do that? Andrew Holness have a whole heap of link right across the board, and film community, we don't even try to remember them community with them minister over. You see, it's be a government badness him dealing with the common man. A little man say certain things during the lockdown, and quickest man that police find. See, immediately police find him and have him on camera apologize and things like that. And it's more than one people offend the Prime Minister personally, and him find them. Have police find them and apologize publicly, discipline them publicly. You see? So we wonder how a guy never think about that. Say, government badness I do it. We want some of them going off of the road. So we are going to go to our constituency them and call in the Dan them. I make the Dan them know, say, yo, we want some gun. You see, we want back all the gun them. Seeing we start with so we start with our place first. You see, that broad brush amnesty business, the way you just dash across the board for people, for gunman, like gunman owe you something, or I don't know if you think them owe you something. Because as far as I'm concerned, majority of them gunman they don't know you, even in your constituency. Majority of them no have no personal connection or obligation. Well, what I would say obligation, but owe you nothing if you do that. Couple of them do. Particularly one of them were propped up more and a more prominent than figure them. Probably them Them one they have something and them can organize something the one them when I know you are no owe you no personal obligation, good I owe him. You know see it, so them are more likely, you know, hear what him I say and them organize a thing and make it get some gun. Don't you ever think about it like that? You just drop it cross with the board broad brush like you never see, you never serious about this amnesty thing. You know that never did all go. No way. See? What I mean, what up on the table? What was the offer? Me just hear someone for bringing the gun there. Me never hear say, boy, no man gonna get no reward or nothing like that for bringing gun and them sort of things. Me never hear about that part. Them I must get it wrong. Somebody stand corrected. You know, see it, if that's the case. Oh, you expect that for work? You know? Oh, I don't know. It was a joke thing. You see, these politicians benefit from the chaos, you know. Like me always, I tell them. See, politicians, them benefit from the chaos. And the people living in the diaspora enable the chaos as well, you know, unconsciously, unknowingly. You know, see, the end of the day, the government now provide no form of support for people on the ground, no basic support. You know, see it. If the people want a tin of mackerel, man a cook a pot and they want a tin of mackerel for go with the flour or the rice where him have, or if he want to run a boat, him call a man a foreign. You know, see it. There is no government subsidy anywhere unless at the diaspora people them. And the government talk about the diaspora money like it's an entitled income. You know, see, the third highest foreign currency earner for the country. You know, like when people send them money, they might get back something in advance. Like I said, like the country sells something. You know, see it. This is how this guy look on it. This is how government in general look on it. See? And these are the things where enable the lazy, lackluster attitude of enough ghetto youth and enough people. Because them not intend for it. Them know so them have an exit. I mean the third highest foreign earner. Think about it. The third highest and the government have little or no connection, control with that money, and I like say them and get it first, take what them for take and pass. In some cases it's like that. But the little pittance so them a take in terms of fee for make it reach. You know that now yeah. In any case that would go on. And them get them little tax probably out of the fee or something like that. See? But you know, really and truly the government for start tax it. Yeah. Yeah, the government for start take for them share too. You see it? And make the foreign people realize that they must pay tax all over. They must pay tax in any country where them live. Sometimes the highest tax band. And them still have to pay tax for money where they must send go give people at Jamaica. It might sound wicked, but here what happen. Jamaica need consequence. The politicians them need accountability. See? We, when we are foreign, no accountability. We see it all the while. You see, them people yeah, abide by it. You see it. But our government don't. Because, like me say again, the third highest foreign earner going at the hands of the people. Them down the time if you look on government and ask government for no help or ensure the government deliver on a certain promise. Or not even promise, but I mean, these are rights, human rights. International human rights. You see, these things, a lot of things where Jamaica government avoid doing are natural, normal things in other foreign country. Now the foreign done them, we're not done with them yet, no, but the foreign done them is being targeted now. Diaspora done, where I send money and gun, go buy gun and shot. See? So, even so, we have to be careful of who and how much money we not send go give people and all them, where they? Because, you know, mind sharp, a guy can just easily label it as you know? A guy can easily label it as income or support, yeah, support crime and violence and all them type of thing. You know, see it? So, you know, them align themselves with the United States and probably other country too, Great Britain, Canada, and them where them come to a consensus where, watch out, you know, them money are them woman or whoever, I do that and I do that. When I like the amount of them I send or half in them I send and who them I send it to. You see, so them people need to be, you know, held accountable. See? So that day now is like a shot in them on a foot because what going to happen now is that's the people them on the ground where now go get the support, now get the support of them used to, whether or not the people where usually sell it, fear for selling it because them no want them name get called in a certain things. Them can't afford for them name get called in a certain things because the country where them living now, we throw them out back down in Jamaica there. Where in a lot of cases them are inadvertently mash up. You see it, and now demand no accountability from them standpoint, our standpoint where we there, amongst them government, they down there, where fail the people them purposely, because the more crime and violence and the more unstable the nation is, and the cheaper everything, I like the infrastructure them, the property, not the infrastructure, the property them, land, and them sort of thing there, get cheaper. You see, because you know, ground for standpoint for negotiate, no real estate, no prime. It's not prime again because it's still under threat to a certain degree. I'm surprised to see the price of where houses and them sort of thing they still a sell for. I'm certain properties still a sell for down there. That for sure say you have one side of Jamaica which is well protected and well, you know, taken care of, secure from the effects of crime and violence. So it can maintain the property value. But certain areas definitely can't. You see it? Because who would buy certain place on Oliver Road? Who would buy, you know? Who would buy, you know? Yeah. See? So we inadvertently facilitate and non-accountability because the people them now ask the government for nothing. Them know them can pick up them phone and call abroad. You know see it? And this now with the idiot government now, I got target foreigners now for send things come to Jamaica, come say them help people. You get me? But for decades now, that's all the diaspora do. Help people. Them now help them for help themselves. You know? And the same diaspora people will have raised for no say, teach a man for fish. You know see it? And you can't have him a fish all. You can't carry fish come give him all the while. It don't work so. Better a guy call you and tell you say, yo, him see a little shop. Or more build up a little shop. And you contact the hardware, pay for the little slab them and slide them and them little thing that you need to build up the shop. If you can afford, you call the wholesale and pay the wholesale to for the goods them when you need to stock the shop. Alright, so I'm going to call somebody else and make somebody else do that for him. You see, rather than I constantly send, you know, you have to create the level of the initiative there, the focus, the ambition there. You know, give a guy a sense of purpose. So a guy want to protect now that little where the development, he want to protect all the community too, because at the end of the day, if people in the community shop now sell, if the community and the vibes, nobody now come buy a shop and all them. So I think they say it becomes everybody's interest for calm and you know me I say civility. Real. You know see it? Rather than you want to pose like you're done or you're rich or foreign and all them blood clot, they like everything, anything I go on for you. And you just want to send, go get a friend. For somebody ring your phone, all your bills. You park one side for send, go get a guy or a girl. You know see it? And in a lot of cases to a lot of people, you know. So you know this, with all of these things, nobody now look on government and say, warm to social development and them sort of thing. Nobody no. And even the government, literally I rely upon the diaspora to take care of that because them sing praises, boy, yeah, the diaspora and clap them and pat them on them shoulder. It's like both the government were in power and the opposition enjoy these fringe benefits because at the end of the day when the opposition go in, you more rely upon the same lazy mentality for continue. So that's him now have nobody now hold him to no accountability too. And them sort of thing there. Because again, opposition should have talk against them thing. You see, opposition should have educate people both home and abroad. And the government is like the system do everything in its power to keep the people them where they abroad. Because one of the hardest person to start a business at Jamaica is the Jamaican them will live abroad. No, you can live from anywhere, pack up your things from anywhere from any country, any national you want to be. You can pack up your things and just go to Jamaica, go start a business easy and get all years worth of tax break and all them things there. The hurdle them where you have to jump through as a diaspora Jamaican to go down and go set up back your business and with the inconsistency of security and them sort of thing there. Insecurity. You go down there, it's like you have to factor in the whole of them thing there. While even with spot you live, anywhere in the world you live, you don't balance there already, you find it easier to practice any one of them vision here where you have about your own ambitions and things like that. You see, so the government make it easier for people who want to stay abroad than for want to come home. You see it? It's like, yeah, an invitation is open for every national from everywhere else to come. But not Jamaicans. See? So it's like there's a plan for maintain this stupidity where you go on. And then you go just launch gun amnesty right across the board like that and I say, the youth them for bringing them gun. The youth them now depend on for nothing. We will not give the youth them. When last time give the youth them something? And the new recruit them, the new generation will come up. We come up behind. Come fill them gap here. When you not kill them youth here 1122. Or them give them life 1122. See, there is no deterrent. Nobody not there as a example. Now being an example for the youth them come live up to. The government now set up no program as a deterrent because when a youth that certain age, by the time a youth reach the age where him make the decision, I say him brave enough to start with certain things. By the time he reach 13, 14, him should have already absorbed in an educational system program where act as the deterrent from one going a certain crime and violence. See it? The other day I read a newspaper and see one school run out of funding. The path funding, I think I saw it name now where the youth them get some assistance with lunch and things like that. $150 politician I give towards each student where need some lunch. See it? I doubt if $150 can buy 5 ice mint anymore for putting in them pocket. I must that them want them do. And cost of living way up in the sky. So certain things are cheap. Flour not cheap, rice not cheap, not even chicken back not cheap. You see it, anything where black people eat too much becomes one of the most expensive things on the market. You see it? Even in black countries. You see it? So there's it's like there's a purpose, scientific plan being engineered for maintain the status quo and the bad boy business we are going. Now if a politician did set an example now in a film community, see Chang and Holness and even Golden, for them community, decide to them and demand some gun and the badness because they know everybody we have them gun. Them know every man. You see it? Who them don't know them can find. Easy. Yeah. Experience me attack off to nobody feel like I get me there blood cleat guess. See it? Easy can know every man. We control the gun them or the man them we are boss the thing up. We are the done them. I make the man know say yo, we want them gun there. You see it? Yeah, now the success where you get from that, and that you use now and as a marker to the rest of the nation. See? So when you go so boop and set the white broad bush, Amnesty now, every man is looking at themselves and say, boy, if, you know, and even every MP, every member of parliament for every constituency as well, put on them foot and say, listen, we want to gun them, bring them come. You know who have them. It make it more like a more of an intimate, probably intimate is a wrong word for use right there, so. You know? But at least it appear more serious because a man who have him gun knows that the person who asks the gun them knows him have it and know who him attack to. And they put up an invisible principle out the way. And just the word amnesty alone, the man them have to contend with, that not really sufficient. You know see, that not sufficient in it at all. You know see, so from me and my virgin standpoint, you know, that never did all work. And both politicians and government know that never did all work. If them did get any gun, them would have surprised. You know, or get it by any scale. Them would have surprised. The only man carrying some gun is a madman. Carrying 3 to 4 board gun. Go give them and say him want money for them. You know see? We see it over the internet. We even feature it because this is not a laughing matter. You see, the man them love war go on. See, this crime and violence thing is an engineered process, man. Don't worry yourself. It not go nowhere unless somebody choose to do something about it. The diaspora, people of the diaspora might have more pull or might have more weight in getting rid of them gun here and some of them gun here. You know see it? Yeah, because a man have him gun slung pan and knock it on the phone and all and say him want some shot for buy put in and go, I'm saying I think come give me and all them blood clot there. And you said it go give him. You know, a lot of them youth, a lot of them gun and gunshot there are people where they are foreign to help, you know, manifest certain things. You know? Yeah. The reality that Rasta. Anyway, we give thanks. I left it there, so.